Elixir's ELX token just went through one of its most dramatic and painful corrections of the month, crashing nearly 60% in the last 24 hours and sliding down to the 3 cents range. It's the kind of sudden wipeout that instantly grabs attention across the market because ELX wasn't just drifting. It was a trending token with hype behind it, and this kind of heavy dump raises real questions about what triggered such a steep fall. The first major factor appears to be a combination of profit-taking and liquidity shocks. ELX pumped aggressively earlier this week, pulling in speculative traders who were hoping for a breakout continuation. But once whales started unloading, retail followed, creating a chain reaction that accelerated the sell-off. Memecoin-style projects and early-phase tokens are especially vulnerable to these sudden reversals, and Elixir is experiencing the hard side of that volatility right now. There's also talk across X and Telegram that part of this crash is tied to internal ecosystem uncertainty. Some community members are pointing to delays in expected updates or confusion around the latest rollout of Elixir's gaming and liquidity modules. Even though the project has strong tech goals, including real-time matchmaking infrastructure for crypto gaming, the sentiment can turn quickly if communication isn't steady. A lack of fresh announcements in the last few days might have added to the pressure. But here's the interesting part. Despite the sharp dump, volume remains high. That means traders aren't ignoring ELX. They're actively watching, re-evaluating, and in some cases attempting to buy the dip. High-volume dips sometimes create setups for recovery waves, but only if the project steps in with confidence-building updates or if the broader market turns green again. Looking ahead, the question is whether ELX can bounce from here or if it continues bleeding toward deeper support. The next strong psychological level sits around 2 cents, and if that holds, ELX could attempt a relief rally back toward $0.045 to $0.05. But for a full trend reversal, Elixir will need real catalysts, updates on partnerships, gaming integrations, or liquidity expansion inside its ecosystem. Elixir still has a dedicated community, and its tech niche in on-chain gaming infrastructure is compelling. The big question is timing. This 60% crash is a reality check, but not necessarily a death sentence. If the team pushes clarity, delivers on pending updates, or reignites hype with a major announcement, ELX could find its footing again.